welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a look using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm also going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy collab. It is a gold highlighter, and I will go ahead and show you both products now. So this is the mirror that it brings, and it does come up very close. Now the actual product is this beautiful golden, it has like a hint of champagne but not too much, but it's a very beautiful golden shade, and I'm so excited and so happy that I did buy it. So I'm going to be incorporating this highlight into my look today. Now the Soft Glam palette looks a little bit like this. And some of the colors that I'm going to be incorporating today are mostly going to be the pinks. So this rose pink shade, this sultry shade, and this mulberry shade. And I'll go ahead and highlight them if I can on the when I edit. So now I've already filled in my eyebrows a little, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And this is the original, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it now. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder, and I'm going to be applying it to the tops of my lid. Alright, so I've already added the finishing powder on top of my lids. Use my Morphe M514 blending brush, and it has a pointed touch like that. I think I'm going to be in the market for like a new blending brush, so if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Orange Soda. And it is this shade right here. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it above my crease as my transitional color. And use the brush that is actually inside that palette. And it's a blending brush as well. It's double-sided, so on one end it has this flat brush, and then on the other side it is a blending brush. And now I'm going to go in with the color Mulberry, which is this beautiful, basically like a burgundy purple. It has hints of purple in there, but I honestly love how it looks on the lid. And take my e.l.f. brush. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and take this e.l.f. eyeliner brush, and it's a pretty flat base consistent brush, and I'm just going to add my concealer on my hand. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the concealer to my actual lid to divide the crease and then the lid color separately. So I know people start it really different, but I guess this is just what works for me. And take Vindicate Quickie Fix Hydro Charge Complexion Prep Spray, and it is coconut water based. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get that flat end of that brush that comes in the palette, and I'm just gonna spray on it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Sultry. So now I'm just going to be applying the product on, like, in the middle of my lid. And then on the other side, I'm going to take this rose pink shade and I'm going to add it to the inner corners of my eye and then on the end of my eye. Another brush. It isn't one of those one-in-one brushes from Target, and it's a blending brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and just move the product around a little bit. So now I am going to add a little bit of that mulberry color with that blending brush I used, and I'm just gonna lift the purple shade a little bit more. With my Wet n Wild Mega Liner Liquid Eyeliner by Wet n Wild, obviously. And I'm just gonna do a wing. Hey guys, I am back. So now I'm gonna actually apply the Amrezy highlighter. And I'm gonna be taking this fan brush by ABH Cosmetics. And the more the better. So I'm going to take this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and it's like a flat brush, and I'm just going to dip it into the highlighter and add the color to my brow bone. Honestly, this highlighter is gorgeous. Alright everyone, so this concludes this video. I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this eye look, and of course, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, leave me some comments down below. I want to know what you guys are thinking, any products you're liking, any products you would like to see on my channel. Let me know. So yeah, until next time guys, see you in my next video. Bye!